Alright y'all, I got more stuff from Temu and they have so many amazing baby products on there. So I'm gonna show you guys some of these awesome baby products that are super affordable. And honestly, the ones that we've gotten, they've worked way better than the name brand ones that you get in the store, especially like the suction bowls. The suction bowls we have from Temu work insanely better. And I will put my link and promo code down in the description box for you guys so that you guys can save when you order on Temu. And it also does help me out. I get a little bit of commission, so your girl's gotta eat. If you guys wanna go to Temu and grab up these items, it'll be super easy because the link and everything will be down in the description box and you'll be able to see how much it was before you go to the site to purchase it. So let's just hop into this. So in my first jumbo bag, oh my gosh, I got this cute little whale and I saw this and I was like, oh my goodness, it was so cute. They give you a little screwdriver. I've never had a company give me a little screwdriver for their products. It's the little things like that. So this thing, I thought it was so cool. I'll put the picture up so you guys can see what the listing picture looked like and why I wanted to get it. But it was so cute. This is what it looks like. Look at its cute little face. In the description, it's supposed to spray water out of these little holes to make a little fountain, and it also lights up different colors. So I'm like, that is gonna be so fun during bath time, just floating around in our tub. Baby's gonna love it, I'm gonna love it, everyone's gonna love it. It's super cute. I can't wait to try this out. We got some different sippy cups, and I plan on doing a big review on the different sippy cups that we've gotten from Temu, because we've gotten a couple of different ones and honestly I really love them. We got this one and it's kind of just a little like cream color and it has a little straw that sticks out the top and you can like pop. Has a top that pops off. So it's like easy to clean, and I guess it does actually twist on, not pops off like I just did, but you can pop it right back on. So I do like that. On the straw, you can kind of see it there. It has the little notch to keep it from sliding out the top hole. Baby is learning how to drink from straws. So we've been getting different kind of straw cups and stuff so he can learn how to drink from the straw. So this one's super cute. He can hold it. Super cute. All of these are silicone and they are dishwasher safe, which I love. So this is what this one looks like. I can't remember the exact color, but it was like a bluish greenish color. It was really cute. And then it has the little spouts at the top and it has like the single little hole in it. Oh, I think this one twists off. Let me see. How do you take the lid off? I don't know. Well, I guess baby won't get it off. If mommy can't get it off, baby can't get it off. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. All right, I'm dysfunctional. So I think it just like pops on. It has the little, you know, ridges here and then the ridges on the ring and the inside. I think it just like pops on and off, but I'm gonna say it was pretty difficult for me to get off. So maybe it'll be, you know, baby won't be able to get it off super easy. Super cute. He's so cute. Look how cute that is, Cedric. Thank you. He's so little.
I'm getting harassed over here.
And then the next one we got, this one's actually kind of like, I guess like a 2-in-1 type of cup, because you can use it like this and just kind of like take the top off, right? And baby can just like drink out of it like that once they kind of get comfortable using an open top cup with, you know, a little assistance of the handles instead of holding it like this. But you can use it like that, or it also comes with the little straw with the notch in it, little straw cup with little handles. So I feel like we might try this one first and then kind of graduate to the one without the handles to kind of see, you know, how that goes. But these are so cute. And they're so little and just so cute. The next things were not directly for baby, but they are baby proofing items. So these ones are the plug outlets. The little things that you stick. Focus. These are like the little things that you stick in the little outlet plug things. And I got these. I'm hoping these are a little bit easier to take out of the wall than just the clear plastic ones that you just like stick in and you really gotta like find something to pry them out with. So I'm hoping that these are maybe a little bit easier. There we go. Okay. So see, it's got like the little pull tab that I guess helps you kind of pull it from the wall. And then we got some clear corner bumpers.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we had other ones that we actually got from Temu a while ago, but baby decided to yank them off. They were not clear. They were like a fun mint green color, but this is what these ones look like. So we thought maybe if we get the clear ones, he won't notice them as much and won't pull them off. Let's do the next bag. Hi. How you doing? Are you doing good? Yeah. Oh. Do you like that one? Yeah. We're gonna wash those up and you can use those. No? Okay. That's your choice, So then we got, oh, we gotta wash that. You like that one? We gotta wash it. We gotta wash it. You go take it to daddy. You go take it to daddy? Ask daddy wash? There's probably crazy chemicals all over there and you're just stuffing them in your beak. We got this cute little long sleeved bib with the little food pocket in the front. And this one does Velcro. We got another one of these from the store and it was, I believe, it was like 3 times more than what I paid for this one. And they're basically the same item. I really like the long sleeved bibs because when baby is eating yogurt or anything messy, these keep clothes clean. So definitely recommend the long sleeve bibs with the food pocket. The next thing I got, oh my gosh, is this cute little hat. It's got bears all over it. It's this like really soft, I guess like muslin material, so it'd be really nice for the hot weather we're having to block the sun and everything while still, you know, not being too crazy hot. And it does have the little Velcro strap to keep it nice and secure when it's on your head. These next items aren't directly for baby either. Our cloth diapers in these, what's it, a woven fabric storage bag, and it has like the clear little window on it, so I'll be able to see what's in the bag, so I'll know what it is, and it's breathable, and it has little handles. So this will be really nice. I'll be able to store all of his cloth diapers that he has outgrown in the closet, nice and neat. Right now they're in like a storage tote that I can't put the top on because then it won't be breathable. So I got these. I got it in green, and then I also got one in this blue color. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys want to check out any of these products that I have shown you that I got from Temu, definitely check down in the description box. I'm going to have all of the links down there, plus the prices of these items, as well as my promo code and my link that you guys can click on to get over to Temu to grab these items for yourself. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment down in the comment box and a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.